Web and enterprise big data have heterogeneous forms. They come from databases, social media, websites of companies and institutions, online newspapers, blogs, forums, e-commerce websites, linked data sources, emails, documents having different internal formats. Big data architectures are the rage to give organizations the ability to access broader, more complex data sets with more flexibility. But simply joining, consolidating, and managing these volumes of data is not enough. Businesses need smart data, which is web and enterprise data, with explicit semantics obtained by semantic annotations, metadata, entities and objects extraction, natural language processing, taxonomies, ontologies, linked data, combined with implicit semantics, obtained by machine learning and inference, to embed in applications to drive smarter business decisions and processes. Altilia transforms big data into smart data with its Mantra Smart Data Management Platform. Mantra is a smart data management platform comprised of 3 key layers. The contextual processing layer uses semantic algorithms, core Altilia IP, to enable fast, accurate, high-performance execution of app services pipelines designed for processing web and enterprise heterogeneous big data. Mantra Model is a set of apps that enable the user to design automatic data extraction tasks and contextual processing pipelines by using only mouse clicks without writing code, and to write annotation and extraction rules in the Mantra language. Acquisition tasks enable automatic navigation and access of web data sources to extract documents, contents, and object instances from documents and databases. Mantra Model enables users to design high-precision, unstructured information, annotation, and extraction rules, which are supplemented by semantic structures, for example, taxonomies and ontologies. Mantra's annotation and extraction rules are written in the Mantra language, which has an intuitive logic syntax with XPath-like navigation notation. Mantra Model contains an app called Contextual Processing Pipelines Designer, which allows the user to visually design pipelines by simply using drag and drop to bring Mantra apps into the work area, set app parameters, and connect various apps to create pipelines. Mantra Acquire is a set of apps and services aimed at acquiring data from heterogeneous information sources. For acquiring data from unstructured and semi-structured sources, Mantra Acquire provides apps that use automatic information extraction algorithms and acquisition tasks modeled by the Mantra model. Mantra normalization apps and services execute annotation and extraction rules designed by Mantra model. Mantra normalization apps apply automatic contextualization algorithms based on natural language processing and machine learning approaches. Rule-based and automatic apps permit entity recognition, information extraction, semantic metadata, and complex object instances extraction from web pages, documents, and flat texts, semantic indexing of documents, sentiment and opinion extraction, transformations from unstructured to structured data. Mantra transformation apps and services manipulate smart data by executing algorithms and queries that enables combining and linking information coming from different sources and contextual processing pipelines, creating views on subsets of data available in the smart data layer, filtering, cleaning, and selecting information on the basis of criteria defined by the user, representing information in the form of triples, which enable reasoning and inference. Mantra Actuation provides apps and services that apply machine learning algorithms, for example, classification, clustering, categorization, statistics, on smart data for building rich, dynamic, and multidimensional visual reports, and are feeding smart data into third-party applications. Smart data cloud layer, provides support for managing unstructured data variety and complexity, and structured data by CQL, NoSQL, and RDF triple stores. Mantra Platform as Service, PaaS, is offered as hybrid cloud for highly scalable contextual processing pipelines. The Mantra API and GUI layer is an easy-to-use and intuitive API that simplifies developers' work in embedding smart data in end-user solutions and applications. An easy-to-learn GUI that allows design contextual processing pipelines without having to write code. The Mantra API layer is based on Apogee's API platform that enables businesses and developers to deliver well-designed, scalable APIs and apps and extract business value from their API ecosystem for a dynamic world. Using the Mantra API, developers can easily embed Mantra services and smart data into their applications and programmatically design contextual processing pipelines. Using the GUI, end users can visually design contextual processing pipelines by Mantra apps, made available as visual components. Big data can be a revolution, capable to transform how we live, work, and think, only if we use smart data. The user need automatic extraction of products instances, example brand, model, price, discount, features, from thousands e-commerce web pages, from hundreds of websites, where attributes are available on both internal format of the web pages, for example, property of an HTML tag, and within long textual descriptions. So unstructured and semi-structured information must be turned into structured product instances, ready to be analyzed and explored. Modeling web extraction tasks and extraction rules that allow acquisition of semi-structured product records and turning unstructured product descriptions into structured product instances. Modeling parallel contextual processing pipelines that automatically acquire product descriptions from e-commerce websites. Transform product descriptions into structured product instances. Align structured product instances with respect to a standard taxonomy. Populate a dynamic multidimensional DB that allows reporting. The first step of the pipeline is to acquire semi-structured product description from many e-commerce websites using different layouts in presenting products. The second step transforms semi-structured product descriptions into standard structured product instances by capturing product features, applying information extraction rules. The third step aligns structured product instances with respect to a standard taxonomy of products, stored into the customer database, where each category of products has a standard structure. The fourth step enables Populate, a multidimensional database that allows dynamic, multidimensional reports used for easily exploring competitors' pricing policies. Big data can be a revolution, capable to transform how we live, work, and think, only if we use smart data.